Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video I want us to explain handling data 6 example 3, and we are still looking at histogram. And this question is quite particular and specific because it is asking to find the midpoint, and it says the histogram shows the masses of pumpkins in a farm shop. Work out an estimate for the median mass. We all know median mass is the mass in the middle, and we need to have arranged all entries or all pumpkins in ascending order, starting from the lightest to the heaviest. And we need to strike the midpoint, or actually the median mass. Now, what we are faced with here is actually a histogram, because you can see the frequency density, and of course you can see the masses, and the median mass is the mass that comes right at the middle. So we know very well that we are looking or we are having how many pumpkins. This bar graph talks about 2. This bar talks about 2. And because the frequency density itself is 2, then this is just, the width here is 1. And this bar, we are having 14 pumpkins because we agreed, or we understood in the previous videos, that the area of each and every bar in a histogram will always be talking about the frequency. The area is proportional to the frequency, or rather, in simple and direct language, that the area of each and every bar gives the frequency. So the area of the first bar being 2, so we have 2 pumpkins there. The area of the second bar being 14, we have 14 pumpkins there. The area of this bar, we have 9 and 3, 12. We're talking about 2 plus 14, that is 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12 is 28. 28 plus 12 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. So in total, we are having 50 pumpkins. 50 pumpkins in total in that shop or in that farm. Now, the midpoint or the median has to be at the 25th pumpkin. So we are looking at 25th to 26th, 25th pumpkin. The mass of the 25th pumpkin is the one that is going to give us the median. Why 25th? Because we have to divide the 50 into 2, as it has been divided in this graph or histogram. In this particular point, we are having an area of 25, and the other half, we are having an area of 25. So we are simply talking about the area. The area being 25, now we have to look at the first bar, 2 plus 14, that is 16, and the first 2 bars will give us 16 pumpkins. They are going to give us 16 pumpkins. So in the third bar, we need plus 9 pumpkin to give us 25. And the whole bar is having 12. How do we identify where the 9 lies? And we are looking for that line that will basically give us the 9. And the height, which is the frequency density, is not changing. For this third bar, the frequency density is 6. What do we multiply 6 with along that length to give us 9? That means 6 times x will give us 9. So as far as we are concerned, divide both sides by 6, divide both sides by 6, and we'll find that x is equals to 1.5. That is the value of x. So we need now to have a width of 1.5 from 5. So 5 plus 1.5, we are striking the x value of 6.5. So this dotted line is along the mass of 6.5 kgs, and that means that is actually the median mass. Why is it the median mass? Because these are 2 pumpkins plus 14 giving us 16 plus 9 giving us 25. But these 9 are actually arrived at when the mass is 6.5, because the area of this bar is 6 times 1.5, which is giving us 9. When we add 9 to 16, we get 25 pumpkins. So the median mass is simply 6.5. So the median mass is 6.5 kg. And that is how we solve that question. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video.